calculate the area of this figure. So this is going to be what we're looking at. So this figure, I see I can cut this up multiple ways, but the first way I see is just drawing a line here and finding the area of two rectangles. So once again, go back to our ISN. Area equals base times height of rectangles. I need to find the dimensions of each rectangle. So we'll start with the one on the bottom. So it's 6 from here to here. And 8 from here to here. So if I plug that into my formula, area equals 6 times 8. So the area of the one equals 48. So we'll write 48 there. And then the other one from 7 by 4. So area equals 7 times 4. So I will write the 28 right there. And then I need to add those up to find the area of the whole figure. So 48 plus 76 units squared. So here we go again. We're going to plot the points on the coordinate and connect them to make a polygon. Write the name for the polygon and find the area. So the first point is 3, 2. And then 3, 7. And then negative 5, 2. So we got left 5 up 2. And this it has 3 sides, so it's definitely a triangle. And we need to write the formula, so we go back to our ISN, or we remember it. 1/2 base times height for a triangle. So I need to find the base and I need to find the height. So this is, the base is 5, or the base is 8, and the height is 5. So I plug that into my formula. I multiply these. And it's 20 units squared. Okay, you tried this one.